Einstein, over here!
I'm Albert Einstein!
What are you doing?
I'm picking leaves, of course.
Well, do you mind if we ask you a few questions?
Mind? What about my mind? It's right here.
Well, great. What year were you born in?
I was born March 14th, 1879.
Well, that's great. Can you tell us about your schooling?
Oh, well, in my schooling. When I was 15, I dropped out of school without a degree. When I was 15, I dropped out of school and I didn't get a degree. When I was 15, I dropped out of school and I didn't get a degree.
Awful.
Yeah, and then what did you do?
I went to Milan with my family. My family. I had a sister. She was born in November 1881. So I took my family and we went to Milan, including my sister, for November 1881.
Really? That's interesting. Did you travel anywhere besides Milan?
Oh yes, I went to Switzerland from 1895 to 1896.
Hey, Einstein, we're back.
I'm Albert Einstein.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Well, I'm just inspecting this turtle house. Yes.
That's interesting. Anyway, we're back with more questions.
My back? My back's fine. I don't need a cane or anything. It's fine.
Well, that's absolutely wonderful. Okay, when did you get your degrees?
Well, I got my degrees from mathematics and physics in the year 1900.
That's interesting. Now, we heard you received the Nobel Prize for
The
Physics.
Nobel Prize? I got that for physics. Oh, and it was in the year 1921.
Really? That's cool. So, now we heard some sad news that you passed away.
Oh, yes. Well, I passed away. I died in the year 1955 on April 18th. I was 76 years old.
What did you do in Switzerland?
I don't know.
Albert Einstein, we're back!
Ah! Wait, no.